What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about how you can go and create your YouTube thumbnail using WhatsApp. I'm using my Android phone because I'm traveling, so I will go with Play Store and I want a thumbnail, so I want to make a quick thumbnail, so I'll look for what kind of application. There are too many applications, so I'll go with random. I just downloaded it one, so hold up for a second. It will give ads because how the developer will earn if they don't give ads, right? Even if I'm a developer, I need ads. That's the reason how we earn, so can't blame on that. So I'll go with click on this one. I'll check mark. I just created one video on YouTube, that is how you can go and share your YouTube videos using WhatsApp. So pretty nice, go and check that one as well. So I'll be making thumbnail for that, how to share YouTube video using WhatsApp. Add that one. I'll go with font. I'll go with sample one, sample colors. Okay, I like some another font because this is bold one, so it will look nice, I guess. Yellow looks nice. Okay, so it's shadow. Just go and find what suits the best for you. Sample. Okay, this looks nice to me. I'll go and select this one, and I want some, or you can go and use your gallery to share that one as well. Try something which you like. Okay, another ad. I have to watch the ad, we are using it for free, so I'll go with adding some library. Okay, have to look for what can I artwork. There was a cartoon animal, right? Yeah, this looks nice to me, so I'll go and take this one. Done. And another ad. That's so stupid. In a video 3 ads, and that is also not mine, so that's stupid. Okay, close. Design, black and white, and I go with download, save photo is saved. I'll go with my YouTube channel, and I'll go with my loading. I'll go with what I have uploaded. I'll go with my channel. I know it's a long video, but you know how you just learned that how you can go and create the video. I'll go with edit, and I want to save my thumbnail. I want to upload my thumbnail, so I'll go with how to share YouTube video. Click on edit. I'll go with edit thumbnail. I just created one thumbnail, so where is my video? Hold on for a second. Edit. Custom thumbnail, recent thumbnail, select that one, save that one, and that's about it. I just created a thumbnail using just my mobile phone, and that's about it. So see you guys in the next one. My name is Nazir and I'm signing out.